In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to create a multi-page website in Lovable. We'll walk through the exact flow from opening the site to reviewing your generated project. And I'll share a few practical tips to make the chatbot produce a clean, consistent multi-page layout. Start by heading to the Lovable homepage in your browser. Once you're there, look for the chatbot icon, typically found in the corner of the screen, and open it. This chatbot is your main interface for describing what you want built, so everything starts with the message you write here. To get a proper multi-page website, begin with a strong, detailed prompt. Clarity up front saves time later. Describe the purpose of your site and your audience. List the pages you need, like home, about, services, blog, and contact, and outline what should appear on each page. Mention your navigation structure and any common elements you want repeated across pages, such as a sticky header, a global footer with links, and consistent branding. If you have a tone or style in mind, modern, friendly, professional, add that too. For example, you might say, create a modern, responsive multi-page website with a home, about, services with 3 service sections, blog landing with postcards, and contact with a form. Include a top navigation linking to all pages, a consistent hero style, and a footer with social links. Use a clean, accessible design and concise copy. The more specific you are, the better the result. When your prompt is ready, click Send. Give Lovable a moment to process your request. It will generate your project based on your instructions and assemble the pages, navigation, and shared components it can infer from your prompt. Once the project is created, open it and use the View or Preview option to see your site in action. Click through the navigation to confirm the links work. Scan each page for layout and content accuracy and note anything that needs improvement. Headings, section order, imagery placeholders, or calls to action. If you want changes, return to the chatbot inside your project. Ask for revisions directly, referencing what you see in the preview. Be specific, like rename services to what we do, make the header sticky, tighten the hero copy on the homepage, or ensure the footer shows on every page. You can request global changes that apply across all pages or page-specific adjustments. Iterate in small steps, review, and repeat until it matches your vision. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.